Hydrostatic and atmospheric pressure. Hydrostatic pressure is defined as the pressure exerted by a liquid at rest. Consider a liquid of density D filled in a vessel up to a height h. Then pressure exerted by the liquid on the base is given by P is equal to HdG. The expression shows that the hydrostatic pressure depends on the vertical height of the liquid and density of the liquid. Atmospheric pressure. The pressure exerted by the atmosphere is called atmospheric pressure. The device used to measure the atmospheric pressure is called barometer. 1 atmospheric pressure is equal to pressure exerted by 76 centimeter of mercury, or 1
ATM
is equal to 1.013 into 10 raised to the power 5 Newton meter per square. If the atmosphere is assumed as air of uniform density 1.3 kilogram meter per cube, then height of the atmosphere is equivalent to 7.95
kilometer.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.